United States President Barack Obama has appeared on Jay Leno's iconic talk show, discussing a range of topics, including the benefits of upcoming healthcare reforms for Americans with medical insurance.
On October 1st, people are going to be able to sign up if they don't have health care. If you got health care, you don't have to do anything. The only thing that's happened for people who have health care right now is that you've been able to benefit from the fact that we put in place a law so that insurance companies have to spend 80% of your premiums on health care, and if they spend it on administrative costs and high CEO salaries, they got to send you a rebate, and that's been affecting people.
The US president also spoke about the killing of black teenager Trayvon Martin in Florida last year by George Zimmerman, who was acquitted of murder last month, sparking massive protests across America.
But what I think all of us agree to is that we should have a criminal justice system that's fair, that's just. And what I wanted to try to explain was why this was a particularly sensitive topic for African-American families, because a lot of people who have sons know the experience they had of being followed or being viewed suspiciously. We all know that young African-American men disproportionately have involvement in criminal activities and violence for a lot of reasons, a lot of it having to do with poverty, a lot of it having to do with disruptions in their neighborhoods and their communities, and failing schools and all those things. And that's no excuse, but what we also believe in is that people, everybody, should be treated fairly, and the system should work for everyone. And so
Obama struck a lighter note when commenting on his recent lunch at the White House with former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton.
I invited her.
Okay.
And we had a great time. She had that post-administration glow.
Yeah.
You know, when folks leave the White House, like 2 weeks later, they look great.
The US president also criticized Russia for giving American whistleblower Edward Snowden asylum, commenting that Moscow sometimes slips into a Cold War mentality.